In this video, we will understand heredity. It is a fundamental concept in biology and genetics, explaining how traits such as eye color, height, and susceptibility to diseases are inherited from one generation to the next. Heredity refers to the process by which traits and characteristics are passed from parents to offspring through genetic material. This can occur through either asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction. It involves the transmission of traits and characteristics from one generation to the next through the transfer of genetic material known as genes. Genes. Genes are the basic unit of heredity. These are the short segments of DNA that encode specific proteins or RNA molecules. This helps in maintaining generational variation and the evolution of species. Traits. Traits refer to any observable characteristic of an organism. There are two types of traits: acquired and inherited. Inherited traits are traits in an organism due to changes in the genetic composition, and it can be passed from one generation to the next, and it results in evolution. For example, if both the parents have brown or black hair, the offspring may inherit either brown or black hair or a combination of the two. Acquired traits are the traits which are developed because of the surrounding environment's effect. Acquired traits are traits which are acquired by an organism during its lifetime, and it cannot be passed from one generation to the next, and it does not result in evolution. These are not coded via DNA. Mendel's laws of heredity. Gregor Johann Mendel, known as the father of genetics, was an Austrian monk who worked on pea plants to understand the concept of heredity. His work laid the foundation of modern genetics. He was the first person who succeeded in predicting how traits are transferred from one generation to the next generation. He made three basic laws of inheritance: A. The law of dominance, B. The law of segregation, and C. The law of independent assortment. Law of dominance says that a gene contains two opposing alleles, one of which is always expressed in the organism. It is called the dominant gene, and it expresses in any possible combination. Law of segregation says that traits get segregated completely during the formation of gametes without any mixing of alleles. Law of independent assortment says that the traits can segregate independently of different characters during gamete formation. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.